Ah yes, melody, the story that music tells us, the thing that's supposed to capture our attention and get stuck in our heads. But more often than not, we just get stuck, trying to find the right notes, the right feel, searching for the perfect formula for creating amazing melodies. This challenge can lead to strange questions like, where is melody? Is it somewhere out there? Is it beyond time and space? Is melody deep within the universe, and once we find it, the notes that we're searching for will magically fly past us? No, it's not. Melody, here, back on Earth, is everywhere, and the notes that we're searching for are all around us. It's simple as tinkering with the music and the instruments and watching this guy talk about it.
Hello and welcome back to Planet Earth. It's true, melody is much closer to us than we tend to think. It's something that is constantly speaking, we just need to listen and be ready to capture it at a moment's notice, on our mobile device or some type of portable recorder. You never want to lose that spark of inspiration. If you're stuck, start simple, with rhythmic elements such as clapping. Da, 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 da. There you go, melody. Also, if you have words, you can turn those into melodies, like subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Ooh, that was good. If you don't have the words, you can scat, like da 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 da. Then turn those into words later. It's something that you have to feel, and maybe change the vibe or your surroundings, but melody is everywhere, you just gotta listen and the music will come.